This is a box opening for a cable. This is out of Amazon. It came kind of double folded, but in a smaller bag, and it has number 133 on it. This is the OEM cable that I installed on the mower, and I bought this one as a backup. It's a 133-1998, and that's for the blade drive belt brake is what they call it, brake cable. The OEM, which is broken, is here. The cable shred and broke in half, and you have a piece here. The cable goes in. The cable goes, sorry about the light there, goes in here, and it sits like so. All right, the cable should move freely. It has an other end that looks like this. So allow me to remove this from the bag. Okay, here's the cable to overlay. The unit here, if we look at the ends, they appear to be close to the same. This cable moves freely, you can see that, and that you need to have it work. Comparing the retainer on this end, they look to be the same. The other end of the cable, this one is frozen. We have a different type of coating. It's just a smidgen longer, but it looks to be about the same. This has a ball on it, and this one has a ball in it as well. So let me take a look at the length. Cables appear to be, well, within about a ½ inch the same. So the cable length looks to be good. So I say it looks like it's a good replacement. Thanks for watching.